Hello and welcome back to this channel. Amazing 4 important steps to enter the trade. In this video, I am going to talk about what exactly you have to do before you place a trade without using and buying any expensive indicators. In just only 4 easy steps, you will be able to use your price action and enter the trade, enter the market, and make profit. Rules to follow before you place a trade. Rule number 1, find static or dynamic support and resistance levels. Rule number 2, find the trend direction, whether it's upward, downward, or range bound. Rule number 3, confirm your buy and sell signal using reversal patterns such as hammer or shooting star or candlestick mat blending. Rule number 4, put your stop loss that you protect your asset from sudden market reversal. Rule number 1, support and resistance level. Support and resistance levels could be dynamic, like moving average or trend line that are constantly changing with price trend, and also could be static, like horizontal levels that are obvious to you and have more touches. Moving average SMA 10 and SMA 20 is an example of dual dynamic support and resistance levels. This is a price trend and I installed 2 moving average, namely SMA 10 and SMA 20. Between the 2 arrows, since the price is below the SMA 10 and SMA 20, are considered as dynamic resistance. Between these 2 arrows, since the price is above the SMA 10 and SMA 20, are considered as dynamic support. Here we see a trend line where the price is above the trend line, and this trend line considered as dynamic support. This is another example of dual dynamic support and resistance levels. This is a price trend and this is trend line, which considered as dynamic support since the price is above the trend line with almost 6 touches, which considered as a strong level. This is another trend line with 4 touches and it considered as resistance level since the price is below the trend line. The first one considered as a strong uptrend and the second one considered as a strong downtrend. Horizontal is another example of dual support and resistance levels. This is a price trend and this is Yahoo Finance, ERF stock and the 1 time frame. I installed a trend line here, which this part of the trend line is considered as resistance area with 3 touches, and this part of the trend line is considered as support area with 3 touches. Rule number 2, identify the direction of the trend. An uptrend considered as when the price is going higher or moving upward. It composed of series of higher swing high and higher swing low. As long as the price is making higher high and higher low, the uptrend is considered as intact. A downtrend described as when the price is going lower or moving downward. It composed of a lower swing low and lower swing high. As long as the price is making lower low and lower high, the downtrend is considered as intact. A range bound occurs when the price is trending between 2 consistent levels, high and low, for a period of time. What is an uptrend and downtrend? This is a price trend and I installed 2 moving average, namely SMA 42 and SMA 10. When the price is above the fast moving average SMA 10 and both of them be above the slow moving average SMA 42, that is the sign of an uptrend. And here the 2 moving average considered as dynamic support. When the price is below the fast-moving average SMA 10 and both of them be below the slow-moving average SMA 42, that's the sign of a downtrend, and the two moving average considered here as dynamic resistant. Here the price is making higher high and higher low. That's the characteristics of a strong uptrend, and also making lower low and lower high. That's the characteristics of a strong downtrend. Using Trendline to check the direction of the trend. This is the price trend, and I installed here the trend line, which considered as support area, since the price is above the trend line. And the trend line has 4 touches. It's making higher high and higher low, and this way it's considered as a strong uptrend. And again in downtrend making lower high and lower low, and that considered as a strong downtrend. Range bound occurs when price is trending between two parallel support and resistance levels. This is the price trend, and this is the support lower band, and that is the resistant upper band. The resistant upper band has 3 touches, and the support lower band has 2 touches. The price originally going upward and going inside the range, and finally break the range and continue going upward. Rule to buy and sell signal, and also a stop loss. A buy signal alerts a trader to buy an asset based on technical or fundamental analysis. Buy signal can be observed by reversal patterns such as hammer when the price coming into support and reverses back, or break the resistance and continue going upward. A sell signal alerts a trader to sell an asset based on fundamental or technical analysis. Sell signal can be also observed by reversal patterns such as shooting star when the price is going to resistance and reverses back, or breaking the support and continue going downward. For buy signal, we put the stop loss 280R below the support, and for the sell signal, we put our stop loss 280R above the resistance. Where you place a trade buy signal. This is your Finance Air Canada stock D1 time frame, and this is the price trend. I installed the resistance level, and this is the support level. The price is ranging between these two levels, and this is a buy signal. These two candles indicates a buy signal. You can blend these two candles with candlestick mat blending, and you get a bullish hammer, which is a sign of a trend reversal. This is how you blend these two candles, and the outcome is the bullish hammer, which makes the trend reverses. And finally, the price break out and going upward. You can put your stop loss below the range or below the support level. Where you place a trade buy and sell signal. This is a price trend, and these are the support area, and these are the resistance area. Shooting star at the top of an uptrend is a sign of a trend reversal and sell signal. Put your stop loss 1 or 2 ATR above resistance. A hammer at the bottom of a downtrend is a sign of a trend reversal and buy signal. A stop loss should be 1 or 2 ATR below the support area. Bearish engulfing at the top of an uptrend is a sign of a trend reversal and sell signal. Put your stop loss 1 or 2 ATR above resistance. This is a Yahoo Finance WCP stock and D1 time frame. Where you place a trade buy and sell signal. This is a price trend. This is a trend line considered as support area. This is the trend line considered as resistant area. These are all buy signal in a strong uptrend. This is all sell signal in a strong uptrend. These are buy signal in a strong downtrend, and this is a sell signal in a strong downtrend. And this is a strong uptrend and a strong downtrend. This is a price breakdown, the support. In a strong uptrend or downtrend, look for reversal pattern or use candlestick mat blending to enter and exit the market. Put your stop loss 1 or 2 ATR below support to enter or above resistance to exit the market. Where you place a trade buy and sell signal in range band, this is a price trend, this is a support area and resistant area. These are buy signal and these are sell signal. This is a breakout, the price breakout from the range. This is an upward trend going inside the range and finally breaking the resistance and continue going upward. In range band, look for reversal pattern or use candlestick mat blending to enter and exit the market. Put your stop loss 1 or 2 ATR below support to enter or above resistance to exit the market. That's all, folks. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.